Hi guys, welcome back to KayaPlus TV. Specifically in this mini series called We Are in Business. Today we are going to cover a company that is operating in monopoly business. Not in the monopoly game though, but it's rather in a space that no one else is in. It's actually handling the listing of company and handling the transfer market of the share of listed company in Malaysia. This company is called Bursa Malaysia Berhad. If you are interested to find out more on how they operate the business and what is the revenue contributed from all these different line of business, please stay with us for this entire videos. Are you ready? Let's go! So, Bursa Malaysia was incorporated in 1976 and listed at the year of 2005. Bursa Malaysia offers three markets for company listing, which is the main board, AIDS market, and lead market. Apart from managing the equities exchange, Bursa Malaysia also offers a full suite of products, including derivative, offshore, and Sharia compliant products, as well as exchange traded fund (ETF), real estate investment trust (REITs), structured warrants, and exchange traded bonds and Sukuk (ETBS). One of the key commodity futures derivative that Bursa Malaysia offer is the crude palm oil futures contract, which serves as the global price benchmark for this commodity. So, how does Bursa Malaysia make money as a business? Its main source of business or revenue come from security trading. This means whenever we or someone buy or sell a share, you need to pay a brokerage to your brokerage company, for example Rakuten Trade. A small portion of it will end up being allocated to Bursa Malaysia. The same goes to derivative trading. For example, whenever you buy an ETF or you sell a palm oil futures contract, all the brokerage you pay to the brokerage company eventually contributed as a revenue to Bursa Malaysia. The other income source of Bursa Malaysia include BSAS trading, which is a Sharia compliant and Islamic capital markets. Company who wish to be public listed company to raise fund would also need to pay Bursa Malaysia a listing or issuer service fee. Bursa Malaysia's other services include subscription to market data, member services, and depository services. Why is Bursa Malaysia so special? It's because it's running a monopoly business. No one else or no other company is running similar business like them. But on a bigger scale, stock exchanges around the world are competing each other. Of course, the default choice for a Malaysian company to raise fund via stock exchange, Bursa should be the first choice. But it's also possible for them to choose to list their company in Hong Kong Exchange, Singapore, and so on. Bursa Malaysia is operating in a highly regulated industry, but make it kind of untouchable. With its strong balance sheet, it make them able to be very generous in terms of dividend paying. It will not grow at leap and bound, but if you are a patient investor into buying a business that is strong in business model, there is very little choice that you can find company like Bursa who is operating in monopoly manner in Malaysia. We hope the sharing of this video give you an insight on how Bursa Malaysia make money or what is their business model. Let us know in the comment section whether you will buy Bursa Malaysia or not. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you are interested to learn more about other businesses from the other listed company in Malaysia. If you have particular business or company in mind, please leave it in the comment section. We will definitely check it out and try to work on it when we have the time. Till we meet again in the next video. See you. Bye bye.